Hey guys, I quickly want to show you my process of reviving my curls. I'll be using my Cantu leave-in conditioning cream, my Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore smoothie by Shea Moisture, my coconut and hibiscus curl enhancing smoothie, as well as my Palmer's coconut oil moisture boost. If you missed any of that, make sure to check out the description box so I can leave you everything that I've used in my hair. I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and I'm applying the leave-in conditioning first so that I can just get it all over my hair to begin with before it dries down. I'm also trying to focus on my problem area, which is in the middle, like literally in the center. I then sectioned off my hair into parts so that I can just distribute the product in there at a generous amount. I don't want to forget any spots on my hair. I also try to scrunch it in there as well as press it in there as much as I can. My hair doesn't absorb moisture that well. I have, what's it called, low porosity hair, if that's what you call it. I noticed now that I'm trying to figure out how to revive back my curls that my hair does not absorb product that great, because even when I was doing this routine, I realized that when I was scrunching it later on that it was still wet, that it was still had product sitting on top of it. And right now I'm just trying to comb it out. I know I always say start from the bottom, but I was literally just fluffing it out with the very big wide tooth comb. I kind of did brush it out already. I was just trying to fluff it out because I didn't brush it as much as I wanted to in the shower. So I was just finishing it off here. Right now, I'm just trying to scrunch it, all the product in as much as I can. I'm actually glad I'm trying to revive these curls, guys, because so much damage has been done to it. Right now, I'm just focusing on having a better hair care routine, just better habits when it comes to my hair and my self-care, and just, my overall flow of bettering myself altogether. I also used a diffuser, but I had it on the cool setting opposed to the heat setting, and it still worked out. So if you want to hear more hair tips on how to revive your curls and just how to transform into a better version of yourself, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Until next time, I love you guys so much. Bye.